In this video, I've put some practice questions on electronics information for you to prepare for the ASVAB test. Printed circuit boards are typically made out of glass, fiberglass, laminated paper, or copper. So the answer here is fiberglass. Alright, since fiberglass is used to make most printed circuit boards. Alright, which of the following is the correct definition of an electrical cell? First, let's define what an electrical cell is. An electrical cell supplies electrical current. So examples of this are batteries. These include batteries and solar cells. So among the choices here, the one that defines an electrical cell is this one. Okay, it is a device that is capable of changing some form of energy, such as chemical energy, into electricity. All right, what is the frequency of direct current, or DC? So the answer here is 0 hertz. So what is frequency? Frequency is the number of occurrences of an event per unit time and can be expressed as hertz. So in direct current, the charges flow steadily in one direction while charges keep switching directions in AC, or alternating current. And why the frequency of direct current is 0 is just there's no switching events that occur with direct current. An inductor stores energy in the form of what? So it is in the form of magnetic field. When a current is flowing through an inductor, an energy is stored in the form of magnetic field. And the formula of this energy stored in an inductor is this one. Energy equals 1/2 Li squared, where L here is the inductance and I is the current flowing through the inductor. The amount of energy used by a consumer in their home or business is typically measured in blank. So it is typically measured in kilowatt hours. So what is a kilowatt hour? A kilowatt hour is a unit of energy equivalent to 1 kilowatt of power expended for 1 hour. This would be kilowatt hour. All right, an ideal fuse should have a blank. The answer here should be low melting point and a high current rating. It's just the ideal fuse should carry its rated current indefinitely, and it should melt quickly on small excess of current. A capacitor stores energy in the form of blank. So the answer here is electric field. So a capacitor stores electrical energy in the form of electric field because the direct current source creates an excess of electrons on the negative plate, and a shortage of electrons on the positive plate. Then the electrostatic attraction between the positive and negative charges keeps the charge intact in the capacitor even when the voltage source is removed. So the answer is electric field. Whereas the other one, inductor, it stores energy in the form of magnetic field. But for capacitor, it is in the form of electric field. All right. What is the total resistance when two 10-ohm resistors are connected in series? So when resistors are in series, you just have to simply add their resistance together to find a total resistance. So in this case, we were given two resistors, which is 10 ohms each. So you just have to add 10 plus 10. The answer here is 20 ohms. Copper is a good conductor of electricity because the answer here should be this one. Because it demonstrates a low amount of resistance. So the flow of electrons or electric current is inversely proportional to the resistance. And the material exhibiting the least resistance will be a good conductor of electricity. That is why copper is a good conductor of electricity. What color is neutral wire? So the neutral wire is whitish or natural colored. So the answer here is white. All right. A circuit contains 3 parallel resistors. Each resistor has 3 amps flowing through them. What is the total current flowing through the circuit? So for resistors in parallel, the total current is equal to the sum of the currents through each resistor. So we just have to add them up. So the 3 current in each resistor. So that would be 3 plus 3 plus 3, and that would give us 9 amps or 9 amperes.